was located 11 miles west of Marshall, or 10 miles south of Hot Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lester, Spring Creek, Luck, Canto, Fines Creek, and Max Patch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Haywood, and Madison.
Please don't say double header.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 2.
Phew.